Hey, if you want to get this 3D wallpaper on your lock screen on the POCO X8 Pro, let me quickly show you how you can do that. So first of all, you have to open the settings, and right now you have to go into the personalization. Now when you are here, just scroll into the themes, and when you are on the home and the themes, you have to input this phrase at the top, dummy. And we are looking for this developer dummy. So we can get, for example, his theme like this one. You have to open his, his website. Go for example, for Colorful 26S, and you have to just click to download. And for the customize, if you only want to get wallpaper, you have to unselect everything. I mean, a lock screen, you have to unselect everything and only click apply to change the lock screen wallpaper and clock. And that's basically how you can do this step by step.